Everyone's heard of saving, investing, and working hard, but what if I told you there's a secret to attracting wealth that no one is talking about? This one practice, hidden in plain sight, could be the key to unlocking unlimited abundance in your life. Ready to change your financial destiny forever? Let's dive in. We've been taught that wealth is about working harder or smarter, but there's a missing link, a hidden factor that only a few truly understand. It's not about luck or having the perfect business idea. The secret, it's about energy. Yes, your energetic vibration can either attract wealth or push it away. And today, I'm going to show you how to harness this energy to become a magnet for abundance. First, let's understand what I mean by wealth energy. Everything in the universe vibrates at a frequency, including money. When your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs align with the frequency of wealth, you naturally attract opportunities, resources, and yes, money. But here's the catch. Most people unknowingly vibrate at frequencies of fear, scarcity, and doubt. Ever notice how some people seem to repel money, no matter how hard they work? It's because their energy isn't aligned with abundance. Here's the part no one talks about: visualizing your ideal life while feeling the emotions of already having it. This isn't just think positive advice. It's about reprogramming your subconscious mind. When you vividly imagine yourself already wealthy, living the life of your dreams, your brain starts creating new neural pathways. Think of it like tuning into a radio station. If you want to hear a specific song, you tune into the right frequency. The same goes for wealth. If you want to attract it, you must tune your energy to the frequency of abundance. So, what can you do? Set aside 5 minutes daily. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes. Picture your ideal life in vivid detail. What does it look like? What do you hear, smell, and feel? Feel the gratitude. Imagine holding the money or signing that dream deal. Feel the excitement and gratitude as if it's already happening. Anchor the emotion. Create a mental anchor, like touching your heart or saying a phrase like, "I am wealthy now." Now let's back this up with science. Studies in neuroscience reveal that when you visualize success and pair it with emotions, your brain can't distinguish between what's real and what's imagined. It begins to seek out opportunities and solutions to make that vision a reality. Psychologists call this the Reticular Activating System, REMS. It's the part of your brain that filters information based on your dominant thoughts and beliefs. When you program your RAS with thoughts of abundance, you start noticing opportunities to create wealth everywhere. Now here's what you need to watch out for: doubt and overthinking. If you constantly second-guess your visualizations, you're canceling out their power. Trust the process. Focusing on lack. Don't think about what you don't have. Focus entirely on what you're manifesting. Skipping the feeling. Visualization without emotion is like a car without fuel. It won't take you anywhere. Still skeptical? Let me share a real-life example. Jim Carrey, before becoming a Hollywood star, famously wrote himself a $10 million check for acting services rendered. He carried it in his wallet and visualized cashing it. A few years later, he got exactly that amount for his role in Dumb and Dumber. Or take Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx. She visualized her brand becoming a global phenomenon, and now she's a billionaire. Even global UFC star Conor McGregor has spoken publicly about his visualization habits. Now it's your turn. For the next 7 days, I challenge you to spend 5 minutes every morning visualizing your wealthy life. Feel the gratitude, anchor the emotion, and watch how your energy starts shifting. Share your experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear how this changes your perspective and results. And if you want to take this practice to the next level, download the Manifest app. It's like having a manifestation coach right in your pocket. Use its guided visualizations, goal trackers, and gratitude exercises to amplify your results. Start manifesting your dream life today. Link is in the description below. Remember, wealth isn't just about money. It's about alignment, mindset, and energy. You have the power to tune into the frequency of abundance and transform your life. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, Share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more tips to live your best life. Until next time, stay exceptional.